This hairstyle is quite simple to achieve and it is currently trending now. And if this hairstyle is something you will love to achieve, please keep on watching to the end. So guys, my hair is ready for the crocheting, and I make this on off camera because I don't want this video to be so long for me. And the reason why I was doing it all back because I needed my front hair to grow very fast, and it worked for me very well. Like my front hair was growing very fast, like so. And I will be using this multi weave on this multi hair to make this hairstyle, while some people are using this Daniela and passion twist for this hairstyle. So yeah, this is the way the multi weave on comes. So I cut it into two, I will separate it so that the coils can come out. Although some people can make it at knotless braid, but for me I want to crochet it because I want it to a little bit more faster for me, because in the knotless braid it's going to be so painful on my natural hair and I don't want my natural hair to be breaking. So the reason why I was crocheting it first in the front, I wanted to check if it's going to be beautiful. So before I go ahead and start crocheting it on my back, before now, I know you will know how to crochet your hair. Even if you don't know how to crochet hair, you can go through my video and you will watch how to crochet hair. For a beginner, you can learn it very fast. You just have to insert the crochet pin, open the hook, grab the hair and pull it out. Create a knot 1 time or 2 times depending on how you want the hair to be more last for you. So yeah, so enjoy your video for now. Yeah, this multi hair, it was 1 pack. I only make use of 1 pack total. So and the 1 pack is like $2. Yeah, so that is just it. And another thing that I love about this multi weave on is very bulky and it's very full enough. You can do any kind of style. Like the 1 pack was very full for me, and it will make you more beautiful. You don't need to go and break your bank to make your hair. $2 is okay. You can style your hair and using a crochet, and it was very fast, you know. So all right, if this is your very first time stopping by my channel, hi, hello darling, you're welcome to the family where we slay on a low budget. Without further more, have you subscribed to my channel? If you have not done that, please hit the subscription button so that each time I drop a video like this, you will be the one to see it first. And for my return subscriber, thank you for always coming back to support your girl. I really appreciate you a lot. And yeah, we are almost done with the crochet of this hair, and we're gonna because I told you that this hair grow my front hair, so I was brushing it, like kind of hair is growing under because I don't want it to be much tension on my hair, like much painful. So I was brushing it, and yeah, that is just it. And just have to use it, even if you have oil, whatever things you have, just to apply to make the hair more shining. And that is just it. So, and I was trimming off the excess hair to make it more equal, with like to make the hair equal for me. And yeah, and there come the finished look of this hairstyle. Just take a look at your girl now, take a look at me, look at how beautiful I am. Oh my goodness, if you have watched to this extent, thank you for watching to this extent. I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, if you want to try this hairstyle, please kindly tag me on my Instagram and my TikTok accounts. I will be there to reply you. And I love you guys. Please don't forget to share this video so that a lot of people will get to know this particular style that they can do for their self. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. I will say bye. I love you guys. Mwah.